So, look, I think the biggest thing, and I'll start with this and I'll repeat it at the end, I think, again, is fall in love with the process. Don't fall in love with what the outcome is. Because the minute you think about an end goal, the process that is the most difficult becomes something that it becomes tiresome. It's not something you want to continue. You really need to fall in love with the process and not the outcome. I think too many people start bodybuilding with a deadline in their mind. I want to look like this in 3 months. I want to see myself lose this weight in 5 months' time. The reality is, real physiques are built over years, right? Not months, not weeks, not, it takes years to get to a certain time and a certain point in your life. And if you're going to not be disciplined enough to want to take the time and you're an impatient individual because you're thinking that you're not going to get there, then you're probably going to find yourself at multiple failure points in that journey.